Hello everyone and welcome. So today we have the Toyota Vellfire, which is coming for our paint protection film treatment, and we have already completed the prep work. So the entire body has been decontaminated, and we've also carried out a round of dismantling of the beadings, the mirror, the door handles also. So we have the Toyota trained technicians in-house in our team. So we'll be also carrying out a tuck-in process of the PPF installation.
"24 hours later."
So now we have completed the entire paint protection treatment for this Toyota Vellfire. So we have protected it with our 10 years warranty paint protection film, which is the highest performing in its grade. So now also we want to do a short review of the Vellfire. So if you are a CEO or a businessman or a top executive or even a politician, so will this car suit you and will it actually meet your requirements? So this is the all new Toyota Vellfire built upon the latest platform, which is the TNGA platform, which also has enhanced body rigidity. So to give you a more silent and luxurious ride. At the front we have this imposing chrome grille. This is in the smoked finish, and here we have some more parts of the grille finished in the regular chrome finish, jeweled effect of the DRL and slim LED lights. So moving on to the side of the Vellfire, here we have these sharp dynamic character lines, which gives it a very different MPV profile. And at the front we have these Michelin Primacy touring tires, which are specially designed to reduce the amount of road noise that enters the cabin. The rear of the car, we have these beautiful connected LED tail lights. And here, with the seats folded up, we have an enormous amount of luggage space to accommodate most of the airport run baggages. So in the interior of the Vellfire, we have this beautiful flowing dashboard, and every surface that we touch is of the soft touch leather, and all the plastics used are of a very high quality and finish, the fit and finish. The centerpiece of the dashboard is this 14-inch beautiful high resolution screen with Lexus style controls. Plus we have a 15-speaker JBL system, which gives you a really nice surround and a very good sound stage. And here we have a customizable digital display. So this also can be customized according to your requirement and if you want a different look. We also have a lot of controls available here, which controls the roof shade, even the side sunshades, plus opening of the left side door and the right side door. And we have the controls also available here on the door pad. So getting into the Vellfire is a very comfortable process. There is also a nice armrest over here, which is padded. So these seats can rival any business class seat. Plus it also comes with the ottoman function as well as memory foam to make your journeys even more comfortable. So the highlight of the Vellfire is of course the second row seat with its beautiful comfort and luxury. So here on the left we have a cup holder. Then we have the controls, the seat recline as well as the seat base, plus the ventilated seats, and of course you can also have the option of presetting to your desired settings. So on the right side here we have the control panel. So this control panel is very easily controllable, controls a lot of functions like the audio, the climate, the lights, plus the seats also can be controlled. So this conveniently clicks back into place. Here we also have a laptop table, which conveniently folds out. We also have a vanity mirror here. Coming to the roof, we have the inbuilt AC vents, which does a really good job of distributing airflow. We can also control the sunroofs individually, as well as we can operate the door, the opening and closing. We can also adjust color of the ambient lighting. Here in the front, we also have the climate control, and we have this high resolution screen which can also be controlled via the remote. We also have some storage here in the center console. Here we have another storage box. We also have another cup holder or a bottle holder, plus we have the USB Type-C. So the third row of the Vellfire is also a very comfortable place to be. If needed, there can be 3 individuals in the back row. Plus here we have the USB Type-C cup holder, and the seat also reclines back and forth. So you can have a very nice comfortable seating position at the third row as well. So the Vellfire is a very easy car to drive. It has a lot of visibility and a lot of glass area which helps you navigate the roads. Plus the hybrid system comes in very seamlessly. We can't really make out when the engine is running and when the battery is running. The suspension is very soft and is able to absorb most of the bumps on Indian roads. So you get quite a comfortable ride quality irrespective of the road conditions. So the Vellfire also comes equipped with the latest Toyota ADAS system. So out on the highway at higher speeds also, the Vellfire is quite blunted and it doesn't have the body roll nor the pitching of a proper MPV. So on the move, the Vellfire is a very refined car. You can hardly hear any tire noise, nor the road noise, nor the wind noise. And of course, with these comfortable seats, it's a very relaxing place to be. The Vellfire is a very comfortable car, even to be stuck in a lot of traffic. It's very comfortable, and it also helps soothe and relax your senses. So this is our short review of the Toyota Vellfire and whether it's going to be meeting your requirements. Of course, it's a very capable MPV. It's very luxurious. It has a lot of features. Plus, it's very refined and very comfortable. So we have completed our paint protection treatment for the Vellfire with our paint protection film. So if you do have any requirements for your cars as well, please do let us know. And also, if you like the video, please do share it, like it, and subscribe to our channel.